In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a bank deposit in QuickBooks Online using undeposited funds. By the end, you'll understand how to capture payments properly and then move them into your real bank account so your books and bank match cleanly. Start by signing in to your QuickBooks Online account. From the dashboard, click the Create button with the plus sign at the top. Under the Other section, choose Bank Deposit. This opens the deposit form you'll use to organize what's coming in. At the top, pick the bank account where you plan to put the money. Think of this as the final destination the funds will land in once you actually take them to the bank. Now in the form, use the Received From field to select the customer or payer. This links the money to the right person or business, which keeps your sales and customer reports accurate. Next, choose the payment method, such as cash, check, or credit card. Recording the method helps you reconcile later and track how customers tend to pay you. In the Deposit To field, select Undeposited Funds. Consider undeposited funds as a temporary holding area, like a virtual cash drawer, where you park payments until you combine and deposit them as one lump sum that matches your bank slip. Enter the payment date to reflect when you received the money, not necessarily when you take it to the bank. Then enter the amount you received. You can also add a memo to describe the deposit. Clear, consistent memos make it easier to answer questions during reconciliation or at tax time. If you're grouping multiple payments into the same bank deposit, repeat those entries for each payer and amount, so the total matches what you'll bring to the bank. When everything looks right, choose Save and Close to Finish, or Save and New if you have more deposits to record. Later, when you physically deposit the money or when it clears in your bank, return to Create, then Bank Deposit. Select the same bank account at the top, check off the payments you stored in undeposited funds, and complete the deposit. This step bundles individual payments into a single deposit that matches what your bank shows, making reconciliation smooth and preventing duplicates. That's it. You've captured the payments accurately, held them in undeposited funds, and then deposited them into your real bank account for a clean match. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share.